Hello everyone, in this video we shall be looking at how to perform an additional operation in ternary numerical system. The ternary numerical system is numbers in base 3. In ternary numerical system we have 0, 1 and 2. And you have to be familiar with this chart in order to make your addition more easier. We have 3 in base 10 equals to 1, 0 in base 3. 4 in base 10 is equals to 1, 1 in base 3. 5 in base 10 is equals to 1, 2 in base 3. 6 in base 10 is equals to 2, 0 in base 3. 7 in base 10 is equals to 2, 1 in base 3. Okay, let's look at some examples. We have 2, 2, 0, 2, 1 base 3 plus 2, 1, 2, 1, 0 in base 3. 1 plus 0 is 1. 2 plus 1 is 3, and 3 in base 3 is 0. Write 0, carry 1, 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 in base 3 is 0, remainder 1. Carry 1, come here, you have 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. And 4 in base 3 is 1, remainder 1. Write remainder 1, take the 1 to the next one. 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 2 is 5. And 5 in base 3 is 1, remainder 2. You write 2, take the 1 to the next one, bring it down 1. 4 in base 3. Let's look at another examples. We have 1, 2, 2, 1 base 3 plus 2, 0, 1, 1 base 3. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3, and 3 in base 3 is 0, remainder 1. Take it to the next one. You have 2 plus 0 is 2, plus 1 is 3. 3 in base 3 is 0, remainder 1. Take it to the next one. You have 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4, and 4 in base 3 is 1, remainder 1. Write remainder, take it to the next one, bring it down, have 1 in base 3. Thank you for watching.